got some really awesome French fries. Take your favorite French fries, and the key here is that you're gonna want everything to be hot. Then what you do is you take curd cheese, and curd cheese is really hard to find. You can only find it in like Ontario. So if you don't have curd cheese, you can take shredded mozzarella. So basically, you pile the cheese on the really hot French fries, and it starts to melt. I don't know about you guys, but I love melted cheese. Then you take gravy and you pour it on top of the cheese and the fries. Oh my God, this looks so good. Boom shakalaka, there's some poutine. And I'm gonna have a bite of this. Oh my God, so good. Well, thanks guys for hanging out with me, and now you guys all know how to make poutine. It's very easy, 3 steps. French fries, curd cheese or mozzarella, and gravy. And it is delish.
So I'm gonna make it up to you guys in just a really quick beverage. I'm going to show you how to make spa water. Ingredients we're going to use are orange, lemon, lime, raspberries, fresh mint, and basil. With basil, this might sound weird, but it's very relaxing. No, for real, they say it's like a de-stressor. So washed, the produce, some fresh orange. I find if you're going to have your lemons or limes sitting in your water all day and you have the outside peels on, it tends to get bitter. So for me, I make that choice whether to leave. I like to make everything pretty. Oh, I feel like this water should have like ice cubes and like tequila now. Fire around here lately, so no flame needed. C'est mignon. Cute. All right, well, here you go. I made some cookies. Okay, so here is the snowman. I like this one, the Christmas tree. And here's another Christmas tree. This one looks really Christmassy. Snowflake. And the stocking. That's fun. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Happy holidays. I like making Italian. I can make homemade pastas.